Yo guys, I'm gonna tell you 100 ways to get rich. Follow me. Come on. Let's go. Now before we begin, let me introduce you to the crew. Harry, Kume, Nola. Now, let's begin. As you can see, this is our DNA, right? And then you have the LACO, which makes the repressor. You have the promoter, you know, like prom. Like when you take your girl out, or she's like, yeah. And then you have your operator, Lac Z, Lac Y, and Lac A. And those parts are the enzymes that help digest lactose. Well, the DNA that helps transcribe and translate to make enzymes that metabolizes lactose. Now, in the beginning, Lac Lu is going to transcribe it to an mRNA. It's going to make this bad boy. All right, this bad boy is the suppressor. Normally, it's on active, so it fits perfectly like this. And so when this happens, the mRNA polymerase attaches to the promoter, and it tries to transcribe this region, but it's blocked. Now, this usually happens when there's lactose ingested in the body. But if you can't do that, right, the E. coli in your body's like, I want lactose. So they'll make... Now, what happens when lactose is ingested, right? Lactose make allolactose, which is a cold suppressor. And it's like, boom. It's like it attaches to this. But this isn't very happy because it changes shape, right? And so now, the suppressor becomes looking like this. Now, this suppressor is now attaches to this. It's like puzzle pieces. It doesn't connect, right? So now it doesn't attaches to the operator anymore, and now the RNA polymerase can just like transcribe the DNA properly. And then Lac Z, Lac Y, Lac A makes these enzymes that help digest and metabolize this lactose. And now, when there's no more lactose, this returns to normal. This returns to normal, and now the RNA polymerase cannot transcribe. This is called negative control, because when this is active, the DNA is not properly transcribed. Got it? All right. I'm gonna stop there. All right, now my boy, let me tell you about positive control. Let's get the ball rolling. Okay, so now when you have this, you gotta talk about positive control. When there's no glucose present, right, but there's a bit of lactose, you probably want to get all of those lactose. So now you have something called cyclet AMP, right, or CAMP. This attaches to the cap. The cap. When this attaches onto it, it goes from inactive form to active. Now the active form of this attaches to part of the promoter region. And then when this goes on here, the RNA polymerase the DNA polymerase goes crazy. It transcribes all the time. It's like constantly. And now you're making a ton of these enzymes that can help metabolize all of the lactose in your body, helping you stay cool and strong. Now, before we go, I just want to tell you guys we are sponsored by Squarespace.com, the #1 site to make all of your websites. Thank you.